This clip we'll be going over how to steam chicken. Okay, so the chicken that I recommend that we best use for steam cooking is chicken breast. It just steams so well and it tastes so great. So I really recommend that you just steam chicken breast. So first we want to do is we want to take off the skin. I want to do that with a knife. Okay, so once your chicken is skinned, all you have to do is just put some spices on top of the chicken. Lemon pepper is like the most popular one, so you might want to use that, but you can use any spices. So I'm gonna put some spice on here. So all you need to do is put some water in your steam pot. As you can see, I don't have that much water. Just all you need is a decent level. Then you put your strainer in there. That way the steam can rise from the bottom to the top. Just add your chicken, and then just put the top on. Then you're ready to go. Just make sure it's on high heat, and soon your chicken will be done. Okay, so about 10 minutes through, you want to come check on your chicken. And you want to cut some slits in it. Check how it's doing. Cut like about 3 slices. And then you want to flip it over, because the steam is rising up and you want the steam to get through to the chicken. Okay, so after 25 minutes your chicken should be done. Here you have a nice steamed up chicken for you to eat.